Welcome to the Vinyl Siding Institute's training video on installing vinyl siding. This video provides demonstrations of techniques that should be used in the field when installing vinyl siding, trim, soffit, and fascia. On your journey to becoming a VSI certified installer, we'll help you learn the proper techniques for installing vinyl siding and increase your skill set to help ensure success on every job. In this video, we'll introduce you to the basics of installation, focusing on various styles of vinyl siding and trim. But it's important to note that manufacturers offer plenty of innovative product options for every project need. Polymer shake and shingle panels, for example, can be used as the primary home siding or accent. These panels do require specific installation techniques, which is why you should always contact the individual manufacturer to verify the details for application. Another product option is insulated siding, which comes with an insulation laminated to the vinyl siding. There are also other ways to integrate insulation into a vinyl siding system. You can attach foam sheathing to the wall before the panel, or add custom-cut contoured foam to fit the shape of the siding panel. When installing insulated vinyl siding, be sure to utilize the manufacturer's suggested accessories, such as J-channels and window lineals. And always consult the manufacturer's instructions. You must learn and abide by the local building code requirements in your area before beginning a project. These codes are based on national model building codes. To get more installation best practices and learn more about our certified products, visit vinylsiding.org.